Yeah, hi everyone. Today I'm gonna solve your Newton school assignment problem. The problem name is check if array is sorted and rotated clockwise. The problem difficulty is level is easy. Okay. The problem statement given a array and distinct integer. Okay. Check if array is sorted and rotated clockwise. And sorted is not considered as the sorted and rotated example like should be at least one rotation. Okay. And note array can be sorted both increasing and decreasingly. Okay. So here the array sorting increasingly order and also decreasingly order. Okay. And here the first line input constant number of test cases of t. Each test cases contain two line of this two line, and first line contains n and the number of the element of the array, and second line constant the n spaces separate element of the array. Okay. Here the constant given and the constant given k basically t 1 to 50. Okay. And there the n given k n to 10 to the power 20 10 to the power 3. Okay. And array constant given 10 to the power 4. Okay. So it's a normal constant. And print as if array is sorted and rotated. Else print no without inverted comma. So here I am not using inverted comma, only print as and no. Okay. And input basically two two number of test cases, and here the four for n of number of n and number of the array. So here the four element of the array, here the input three, then three element of the array. So it is what is rotated array is rotated clockwise order. So it's printing ss. Basically here the explaining these test cases, like first test case array is 1 2 3 4, and twice 3 4 1 2. Okay. And there is sorted 3 2 1 and rotate once 1 3 2. Okay. So now try to code it. Okay. So here first I given key input number of test cases. Okay. So first I input first I create entity for number of test cases. Okay. And use br dot read line. When I using br dot read line, so I also convert it is string. So I also convert the integer. So I enter integer dot percent. Okay. When I pass the integer, then I use while loop, and t decrement is greater than 0. Okay. Yeah. Now it's simple. It is n. So I can create n, and I int n assign br dot read line. Okay. And it's also convert, it is string, so I also convert integer to integer dot percent. Okay. Then I create array int arr sign new int size and size, right? Then I create input array array of string like here the using pure dot read line, and I also trim this value, okay, and also split with separate split with spaces, okay. And int I is equal to 0 semicolon I less than and semicolon increment I, okay. Then I passing solve. Oh sorry, not passing solve. First I using array of I, assign integer dot percent, and I pass input array of I, right. uh, and now I create solve function, and I also pass n comma array, right. So here the solve function, like I create n and array, right. Yeah, first I create int x assign 0, then int y assign 0, okay. Then I traverse loop for int I equal to 0 semicolon I less than n minus 1, okay, and I increment this I, and I check, okay, if array of I is less than array of I plus 1, right. Then I increment the x, okay, else I increment the y, right. When for loop, then I check if x equal 1 or y equal 1, then if array of n minus 1 and array of 0, okay, increment the x, else increment the y, right. Also I can do one thing, if x equal 1 or y equal 1, then returning true, and when I come to outside this condition, then here return false, okay. So now it's good, and here the basically here the create if Then I use cs function. Basically in 1 minute I and else sino. So cs and sino function I am already declared. Here the cs function it is printing as, and here the sino function it is printing no. Okay, so copy this one here, and now it's already declared this output. Now input is correct, or try to submit it. Yeah, now it's submitted. Okay, thanks for watching this video. Make sure subscribe this my channel.